In this episode, we're going to show you how to clean and box knives.
Okay, so what are you doing here?
I am going to clean and box the knives. First, I start with cleaning the lanyard tube. Stick that through there. Clean. Now, I just brush it on here.
What is that?
This is denatured alcohol. And I use a toothbrush because it takes it right off. And I go down the sides to get the glue loose in case I have any left on there. Now, take my little knife here. And I will Now I will wipe off any glue that's left on there. I have oil on my rag.
What kind of oil do you use?
That is mineral oil. Wipe my front down here. Now I will wipe down the handle.
Are you doing anything else at the same time you're doing
At
this?
the same time, I'm looking to make sure there's no scratches and that there is no buffing compound. No scratches, no dirt. Flip it over here, no scratches, no buffing compound. No scratches, no buffing compound. And I do the same thing with the other side. And on the spine. And then I grab my thick oiled rag with mineral oil. And I go over that. I go over the blade to make sure there's no compound. And that there's no scratches. Then I set it over here. And wait for it to be...
And what's your name?
My name is Amber Humphrey.
So your last name's Humphrey.
Yeah.
What's your last name?
My last name is Humphrey.
Very good. And my last name is Humphrey. Very good. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to put it in the sheath and make sure not to cut myself. And then I'm going to put it in the box. A knife cover and a thank you card.
Outstanding. That's it.
Yep.
Now what do you do with it?
Put it over here where it can be shipped out, but we have to determine who has what. So we'll do that later.
All right, very good. All right, that's it, boy. Let's go home.